And viewers, we start this edition with the latest on the Pune hit and run case. And now note there are glaring lapses which stand exposed at the stage. And it seems that the police has finally succumbed to pressure as it's another FIR that's been registered. And it seems that there was definitely a VVIP killer cover-up by the cops. As the cover-up stands exposed, the police has added additional charges in the FIR that's been registered. But note here, these are series of lapses which are in the open, which led to the loss of 2 innocent lives. Earlier in the day, the pub owner where the accused had gone just hours before the accident has also been arrested. And while the Pune police has been finally forced to act, it's yet another FIR that's been registered in which additional charges have been added. So, trying to get the latest leads on this, we will also get you the latest reports from the ground. But note, these are glaring lapses which stand exposed at this stage. One minor who was driving this car, which led to the accident, led to loss of 2 innocent lives. Not just that, he was in an inebriated state when the accident happened. In fact, eyewitnesses have also given testimonies saying how this driver was riding at a speed of more than 200 kilometers per hour, and that is when the fatal accident happened. All right, let's go across to Satya Prakash, who's joining us live from the accident spot. Satya Prakash, we understand that the police has been finally forced to act. It's second FIR that's been registered. Take us through the exact sections that have now been added in the second FIR that's been registered.
देखिए, पुणे क्राइम ब्रांच ने जो एफआईआर दर्ज किया है जिसमें मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट लगाया है, जो कि नाबालिग 17 साल 8 महीने उम्र थी और जो कि नाबालिग है, इस पर एक्ट लगाया है। और इस मामले में 5 लोग को आरोपी बनाया है और 5 में से 3 लोग को अरेस्ट कर लिया है, 2 लोग को डिटेन किया है। मैं इस समय पुणे के क्राइम ब्रांच में हूँ और यहाँ पे 3 आरोपियों को रखा गया है, जबकि 2 लोग को डिटेन करके रखा गया है। शाम तक जो जानकारी दे रहे हैं सीपी, उनका कहना है कि कार्रवाई शुरू है और 2 जो लोग हैं उनको भी अरेस्ट कर लेंगे। तो मतलब टोटल 2 जो है पब के साथ साथ 5 लोग अरेस्ट हो जाएंगे। साथ ही जो अक्यूज के पिता हैं वो विशाल अग्रवाल को भी पुणे क्राइम ब्रांच ने अरेस्ट कर लिया है। संभाजी नगर से लेकर निकली है, लगभग 3 से 4 बजे तक पुणे क्राइम ब्रांच लेके आएगी। अगर समय रहा तो आज कोर्ट में पेश करेगी, नहीं तो कल पेश करेगी। लेकिन कहना है कि जो मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट था उसके तहत हमने एफआईआर दर्ज किया है। साथ ही जो गाड़ी का नंबर और उसकी बारे में भी जांच कर रहे हैं। बंगलोर भेजा गया है पूरे इन्फो, और पूरे इन्फो आने के बाद इसके आगे कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जी
Satya Prakash, stay with us while we are getting back-to-back leads. Just to tell our viewers, 5 arrests have been made in connection to this case. Meanwhile, there is definitely a VVIP killer cover-up which is in the open. Second FIR that's been registered. But as we speak, note that the Pune police will be moving higher court where they will try the accused to be made as, in fact, he's a minor. He could be tried as an adult, which is something that is being looked into by the police officials as they plan to move court.